Which rear view mirror camera is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Wolfbox G840S. The Wolfbox G840S is a solid contender in the rear view mirror camera space, priced at $139.99. What caught my attention is its impressive 12-inch display and 4K front camera. If you want stunning video quality and a large viewing area to minimize blind spots, this is worth a serious look. The upgraded 4K UHD clarity means you can zoom in and identify details from a distance, which is crucial if an incident occurs. The dual cameras provide a 170 degrees front view and a 140 degrees rear view, ensuring you see everything around you. Plus, with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, you can connect to your smartphone for easy video playback and sharing. The 24-hour parking monitor is a bonus, keeping an eye on your vehicle even when you're not around. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, the performance outweighs the initial hassle. If you're willing to invest a little time in installation, you'll get a lot of value from this camera. This is perfect for you if you want high-quality video and safety features in one package. Skip this one if you're looking for something extremely budget-friendly, but for the price, it offers great value. Product number 2, Wolfbox G930. Next up is the Wolfbox G930, retailing at $149.99. This one grabbed my attention with its smart touchscreen and solid 4K front camera. If you're after user-friendly tech with excellent video quality, this might be your pick. The G930 offers 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, giving you clear visuals that help capture important details. Plus, the enhanced 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity allows for seamless video downloads and sharing through the Wolfbox app. The WDR technology also balances light exposure, ensuring you get clear images even at night. With the included GPS, your speed and location data are captured in real time, which is great for peace of mind. However, some users mentioned that the touchscreen could be a bit unresponsive at times. I get that, but honestly, once you get used to it, the features more than make up for the minor inconvenience. This is perfect for tech-savvy drivers who want a high-quality camera with all the bells and whistles. Skip this if you prefer a more straightforward device without additional features. But for the extra cost, it's packed with great specs. Product number 3, Jansight 10-foot mirror dash cam. The Jansight 10-foot mirror dash cam is a budget-friendly option at $54.99. It caught my eye with its dual 1080p cameras and 10-inch IPS touchscreen. If you're looking for something affordable yet functional, give this one a look. With its dual cameras, you're able to capture clear footage from both the front and rear, which is essential for safety. The wide-angle lens reduces blind spots, and the user-friendly touchscreen makes it easy to switch between views. It's also equipped with a G-sensor that automatically locks important footage in case of a collision. And let's not forget the Super Night Vision feature, which helps you see clearly in low-light conditions. Some users reported issues with the camera cable being too short for larger vehicles. But here's the thing, if you have a standard car, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, and the price is really hard to beat. This is perfect for anyone on a tight budget looking for decent safety features. Skip this if you drive a larger vehicle or need a more advanced setup, but for the price, it's a solid choice. Product number 4, Wolfbox G850. Now let's look at the Wolfbox G850, priced at $139.99. What stood out to me was its large 12-inch 4K screen and voice control feature. If you want a camera that combines convenience with high-quality video, this should catch your interest. The G850 provides real 4K video from the front, making it easy to read license plates and road signs. The voice control feature is a nice touch, allowing you to operate the camera without taking your hands off the wheel. Plus, with advanced WDR and Super Night Vision, you won't miss anything on the road, regardless of the lighting conditions. It also has loop recording and a G-sensor to protect your important footage. However, some feedback indicated that the voice control sometimes struggles with commands. I'll be real with you. While it can be a bit hit or miss, the overall quality and features more than compensate for it. This is perfect for drivers who prioritize convenience and video quality. Skip this if voice commands aren't important to you, but it offers a solid balance of features and performance. Product number 5, Wolfbox G850 Pro. Finally, we have the Wolfbox G850 Pro at $179.99. This model features advanced safety technology, including ADAS and BSD, which I found pretty impressive. If you want a camera that actively helps you drive more safely, this one's definitely worth considering. The G850 Pro records in 4K and offers dual-channel recording, ensuring you capture every detail clearly. The advanced driver assistance system alerts you to potential collisions, lane departures, and more, which can genuinely enhance your driving experience. The upgraded 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi provides a smooth connection for video, sharing, and management. And the voice control feature is still there for hands-free operation. But there are a few complaints about the price being a bit high compared to simpler models. Here's the thing. With the added safety features, you're investing not just in a camera, but in a tool that could help prevent accidents. This is perfect for safety-conscious drivers looking for comprehensive features. Skip this if you're on a tight budget or don't need advanced safety alerts, but the investment could pay off in peace of mind. To wrap it up, the Wolfbox G840S and G930 offer great video quality with different features for tech-savvy users, while the Jansite provides a solid budget option. The Wolfbox G850 focuses on convenience, and the G850 Pro enhances safety with advanced alerts. Choose based on your priorities, and you can't go wrong.